Okay, is everybody in already? Okay, so for those of us who are inside already, I shall award stars for all of you. Yes, then those of our friends who haven't logged in yet, let's encourage them. They're in? Okay, very good. Anika, good job. Where's Anika? I given you the point just now as well. And the point, have I given you already? Oh yeah, let me find your name first. Here. Okay. All right. Now, Justin, are you inside already? You're inside already? How come yours is a gray color? Mika, is Mika here? How come you're not inside yet? Now, Justin, are you inside? Do you type the correct name? Huh? Okay, please get yourself in. Good, Chelsea, you know what to do. Etienne, are you going to be in? Okay, then we carry on, okay? Haziq is resting, so let him rest for a while. Okay? August, are you in already? Okay, so Justin, I'll give you a point for getting in. Right. Okay, good job, everyone. Okay, we're going to carry on. We let Haziq rest for a while. He wasn't feeling too good. Let's go on and try out the activities from yesterday, okay? So that was, this leaderboard was from before yesterday, okay? All right, today is there a new leaderboard? Let's see. Talent class, right now it seems like, okay. Okay, not, right now it seems like, okay, seems okay. So let's start today's activity, okay? Let's start today's activity. What was the secret word again? Everybody show me. What is karate chop for? Oh, okay. So yesterday we cut half, and then we talked about cutting the pizza. Okay, you just refresh the page, there will be okay. Can you click refresh? Travis, can you help Alicia to refresh the page? Yeah, just help her to refresh, and you'll be okay already. Okay, done already? Yes, that's right. Okay, so yesterday we learned how to cut the pizza up into parts, right? And then also the apple. And then I ask you, now it's your turn to cut. Now, yesterday, it seems like the instructions wasn't very clear. So now I changed up the activity. I want you to try this again, but this time it says cut and then shape half on each object blue. Okay? I repeat, everybody, can you see the instructions? What did the instructions say? Read it out for me. Very good. So you're supposed to cut the object into halves, and then you shape one half of each object blue. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to restart the activity and try out the new. Allow you to do it again, okay? From the activity. You ready? Okay, everybody okay? Okay. Do you want to use the computer? Okay, go and take. Waiting. Okay, half of the object blue. It's been 1 minute now. If you get another minute, 1 more minute, half the class is ready. Let's wait for another half of the class to be ready. Now more than half the class is ready now. After quarter of your work, you need to shout at me. I can see whether you are done. Okay? Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, Travis drew a blue line down the house and the eraser. Oh, you should shake the object blue. So which is cut the is everybody read cut and then shake down the blue object. Okay. Oh, okay. I can see that Austin says, please give me extra points for writing extra notes. Okay. And not too sure what Yuan is writing, but I think she's making some annotations as well. So it's Roy. And then I see, there's some different ways of coloring. Like, let's share here, we colored how Justin did yesterday. We colored in a different direction. That's nice. And then I see also, you don't do a line, you cut the eraser first, and then you colored the house eraser. It's nice. Oh, I see like here. Over here, Alicia, the eraser seems alright, but something's odd in the house. Is it exactly how? Oh, yeah, it's not fair. So who will link on top and who will be below? Not very fair, right? Okay, but good try here. Let's give everybody stars for putting in effort. Okay, well done. Okay, let me keep this activity. Okay, let me just save this quickly. Right, as I save this, let's move on to the next activity. Okay, now the next activity, let's move on. So, you've learned that big jump. Okay. Okay, let me just save this. Okay, so we know that we are shading a part of the object. We cut the object into parts and then we shade or take one part of the object. then that's what probably fractions is about. So yesterday we saw many of us try to write what they think one half of a pizza looks like. So very quickly I'm going to show it to you how do you write it. Okay. So yesterday we already seen the different submissions here. All right. And then there are some of us who are not sure what it looks like. They say semicircle. I'm glad you remembered semicircle. But how do you write one half in numbers? So one half in numbers, we write it as line, and then the number 1 above on top of the line, and the number 2 below the line. So that's what half looks like. Now, the thing is this. What do you think the number 1 comes from? Is it the one whole pizza? We say one half here. Then what about the number 2? Where do 2 come from? Okay, wait. Later you can answer me. So what does 1 here represent? Is it the number 1 here? Is it the whole pizza? What about the number 2 here? What does it mean? Okay, so where do you think the number 2 and the number 1 come from? Okay, so here you can answer the question. Where do you think, just now we saw that we saw half looks like this. When we ask you, what does this number 1 mean? And what does this number 2 mean? What does this? So we know 1 half, this thing says it's written like this. There's a number 1. And then there's a line here. And then the number 2 written below. Where do you see S-E-A-N? What do you see? Number 1 is, and where does number 2 come from? P-I-Z-Z-A. Okay, title say 2 is 2 of the object. We don't say it's 2 halves. We just say 1 equals to 1, 2 equals to 2. I don't understand why 1 equals to 1, 2 equals to 2. Maybe I think you need to explain what he's writing. Nara says 2 is for the half. So he said when you cut half, Alicia said 2 means the half pizza. Let me say it's like this one split in half. So let's say it means the pizza. Let me say from the middle. We just say 2 means 2 parts. Naila says cut in 2 pieces. There are 2 pieces. And then the 1 may mean the 1 whole thing. You can say the number 2 means half of the whole. But it does say 1 stands for half, 2 stands for a full. Nasa says 2 things come from half of each thing. Austin says 2 means 2, 1 means combined into 1. So now say 2 is the whole. So I say 1 half plus 1 half is 2 all. Then here it says, object says 1 means 1 pizza, 2 is you cut. You must cut in 2. Just now I saw reserve wrote something. Reserve means 2 means 2 parts. You just say 2 pieces. Mika says 2 comes from 2. And then 1 slice. Oh, Mika says 1 stands for 1 slice. Okay, there's a lot of responses here. Vivian, can you explain more? Your explanation about 1 is equal to 1, 2 equals to 2 is not very helpful. Are you teaching primary 1, 1 is 1, 2 is 2? Huh? 2 is 1? Okay, you write it down. Type it in. I want to see you type it in. How come you say 2 is 1? Suddenly very confused. Okay, just now I find what Mika say is quite interesting. He said 1 is 1 slice. Then Kona says the 2 slices make 1 whole. Oh, he just said 1 is I have 1 slice. 2 is all the slices. Is that what you mean? Yes. Yes. Is that what you mean? Who is the whole pizza? So Haziq, where's yours? Up here. Haziq says 2 is 1 whole. Wait. Let me see. Haziq. Yeah, let me close first. Okay, I close the submission first and I go back. Okay, now, so I can see. Okay, I want to see. Yay, I can hear very excitement. Some of you already upgrade ready. Okay, I want to see. Okay, stay calm. Everyone stay calm. I want to see Haziq's answer. Haziq wrote something that is very meaningful just now. So let's take a look at what Haziq wrote. Haziq wrote, hey guys, look, 2 is 1 whole pizza. There are 2 of the halves. And 1 is 1 half. Oh, I think that is a very good answer. I give Haziq 1 extra point. And I think the very cool answer is also from Mika because he says 1 means 1 slice, 2 is the whole pizza. And the one that you just say that 2 means 2 parts, that is correct as well. Okay, now I read almost everybody, right? Whatever I read. I read everybody's, right? Now I can see everybody's answers here on the screen as well, okay? All right? Okay, so now I'm going to tell you something really important. Now, this is where 1 comes from. The number 1 comes from the 1 half of the item of the object that you cut. And the number 2, let's guess the words here. Are you ready? There are 2 words here. One that's colored, that underlined red. Guess the words here. Yes. So just now, there are 2 words that we talked about the whole time. So what are these 2 words here? Let's give a guess. What are the 2 words here? Half? No, it's not half. It's not half. Half is not correct. I give you a clue, okay? Look at the word just here. Is there a half here? And what's the second word here? That's how many of us say. I hear it coming out. Right? We learned about these when we were primary 1, actually 2. One is part. Type one word at each time, okay? Don't type words. Type one word at a time. Don't type and just type one word and then another word. Type one word and the other word. Okay, I'm closing the submission now. So the correct answer is right. Okay. Yes, you're right. The word is heart and home. Does it sound familiar? Yes, very good. Now, so which one's the part? The two slices, right? The two slices of apples, those are parts. One part here and one part there. One half is a part and one half is a part. And then you have one whole apple. So for the eraser as well, you can you see the one part here? And then the one part here? And then the one whole eraser? And then you have the one part house and another part of the house and the one whole house. So, everyone, number one in the fraction refers to the part. Like Yuan Tian say, this is the part that I have. Whereas the number two refers to the total number of parts in the whole. Now, before we go into that, let's understand deeper what these words mean. Whole or not a whole? What do you notice about these two groups of things? Can you see that on the right side, some of those food items, someone took a bite from it. And then on the left, yes. So on the left, the food items are still whole and complete. On the right, they are no longer whole. They are all chewed and eaten by people. They are no longer whole. So let's take a look at these items. Can we sort these things into whole and not whole? Where does the ice cream go? The first one. Yes, the whole. How about this hot dog? Not a whole. It's eaten. The sweet candy here. The cupcake. Not a whole. Not a whole. The whole. Not a whole. Not a whole. Okay, popsicle. Whole. Whole strawberries. Very good. So we all understand what wholes mean. It means they are complete and that no one took a part of them away. Okay? So let's look at the next word in the hangman. Next word in the hangman is parts. Or we can understand in fractions, equal parts. Okay? Let's see. Which are the items here that have been cut into parts? And which one are not cut up yet? Yep. Which pizza? The one with the lines, okay? Oh, what else? Yes. All right. Can you see? After you cut up the pizza into slices, they are no longer whole. They are parts already. All right. And then you can see that the bread has been sliced into parts as well. And the kiwi is also cut into the parts. Now, this question here, can you tell me the next one? Are they cut into parts? Are these two circles cut into parts? Yes. But which one of them shows half shaded? Any of them, the orange or the purple, are any of them shown half shaded? No. But they're cut into parts already, right? Is it two parts? You just say cut into two parts. So is it cut into two parts means half? Austin say maybe the purple one looks like it's half. Is it half? No. Is it? So imagine this is the pizza. I give you the colored purple one. Would you want? Will you be happy? And I give the white color part. I give it to Roy. Will you be happy? He says, okay. So what's the problem? The problem is that they are not. Yeah, they're not equal. So is it fair or not? Not fair. If I give the big orange shaded part to Aaron, and then I give the small white part to Dashba, what would Dashba say? Not fair. I only get this small portion of the pizza, and then Aaron get the big orange, the colored shaded part. Not fair. So it's important to us, to all of us, to know what it means by equal parts and not equal parts. Are we able to tell which of these shapes are cut equally or not equally? The first one, the triangle here. Equal or not equal? That's correct. This one? The squares cut equally, the two triangles? Equal, equal, not equal, equal. Okay, not equal, it looks a bit equal, isn't it? Oh, very good, very observant. I like what you're saying, very good. All right, now let's try, your turn. See if you can identify correctly which shapes are divided into equal parts. We'll take for the shapes in the boxes here. For the shapes, they are divided into equal parts. Service, give Alicia a chance. She wants to try herself also. Never mind if she gets it correct or wrong, she wants it to be able to tell the answer, right? Yeah. It's okay, I will give a star because she's putting effort for herself. Service, if I give her a star because you help her, will it be nice? No, she will not feel happy because she didn't earn herself. Okay? Give her a chance, alright? She wants to try her own. But if you notice that she made a mistake, then you can help her by her or teach her how to do it right the next time round. Yeah, it's 1.5 minutes has passed. I'm going to give you another half a minute to see whether you are going to be finished by then. What is half a minute? Anybody know? Yes, Pranita? 30 seconds. Austin and Pranita got the answer. Okay, I'll give you an extra star later. Okay? How do you know half a minute is 30 seconds? Very good answer. Let me give Pranita and Austin. Where's Austin? Austin, where are you? Austin, where are you, Austin? Where's Austin? Austin, are you here? Oh, okay. Let's refresh your page to see, okay? Okay. Okay, first I will give everybody a star for putting in effort, okay? Huh? You highlight lah. Okay, wait. Okay, let's give everybody a star for trying to put in best efforts first. Have everybody submitted? Yes? Okay. Come on, Steve. We got 27 of us. Okay, I'll put our submission here. Okay, so just now I've answered the question well. It takes 30 seconds, that's half of a minute. Okay, so first of all, I'll give everybody a star for all the good effort, okay? And now let's look at some of the answers here. Roy says that only these two items are correctly divided into equal parts. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct. But who is this? Travis. Travis says this is. So do you spot a mistake? What's wrong here? Okay. So Travis, you made a mistake. Okay. Yeah, it did not cut equally. How do you know if it's cut equally or not? The corner of the shape, right? The corner of the square. Must cut the corner of the square. Okay. And then we have who decided? Okay. Like that. For the annotation as well. Okay, so let's go on to all right. Yeah, Alicia. Alicia, because Travis was trying to help us now, right? You are unsure about it. I think let's start off doing the annotations, okay? And then next up we have Fidaus, okay, that's correct. And then we have Dania. Oh, Dania made the same mistake too. Okay. Give it a try again later, right? There's more than one questions here. Okay, and then all right, this Haziq. Good job, Haziq. And then I'm going to look at yours again as well. All right. All right, I'm going to make it smaller so I can see everyone's answer. Okay. Okay, Haziq, how Justin. Okay, Kelsey, Nara. Okay, there's another. Then don't worry, don't worry. There are other questions at the back. Okay. Yes. Yes, Nara, I give you two. Okay. Okay. Oh no, no, here you did wrongly. This is not correct. Oh, you see? All right. Okay, we'll discuss that later. Okay, then, so Rohit, that's not correct, All right, oh, okay. Okay, let me check again. Laila. The extra point for our entrance will be innovations, okay? Oh, August! Ayo, I need to minus your star as well. You did wrongly. Okay, later we take a look at it. Okay. Yes, I did. You check your stars, I give you extra already for the annotation, okay? I did. Okay, don't worry, we still very fair one. Okay. Okay, I will be. Oh, Ramesh also made a mistake. Okay, but we can discuss about it, okay? Oh, okay, so Austin is helping everyone to explain C. C is not equal. Okay? Now, so on the next page, you can see, okay? We got more challenging questions later, okay? So, here, these two questions here, we can see that this is not correct because you can see that this, if you shade it here, and then you compare with the other one, you compare with this one, Okay, different size already. You will see the color is two different size. And for this one as well, this is not correct. Right? It's not correct. Our friend say you must cut at the corner to be make sure you square. Okay, this is not correct. Alright, then who is this August? August asked if this is in the textbook. Good guesses. So you know that you have already done some of the work, so your work will be easy already. Okay, so next one. Are you ready to challenge the next question? Now all pizza slices. Okay. So put a tick for the shape that you think are in equal parts. Put a tick for the shape that are divided into equal parts. Now, we talk about a lot about half. Now, can we cut more than half or not? Can we cut more into more parts? Just half? Yes, right? So in the story of Ian shared the pizza, what was the most number that shared the pizza? Remember? How many people share the pizza? At first it was Ian and Mommy. Right? After that, do you remember more and more? Do you remember the story or not? Okay, never mind if you don't remember. Okay. So if you are not so sure about what story I'm talking about, yay, you know what? It's important in your video on the story. So you can go back and watch my channel and click on the video to watch and read. Tell me, Steve, read the story. Ian shared the pizza. Okay? You got subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. I would like you to focus in the activity. I will start minusing points and not give you points if you are chatting in the group chat. I repeat myself. I did not close and delete the group chat because I trust my students can pay attention. But if you are talking too much in the chat group and not paying attention, then I'll be upset with you. I will not give you started. Do what is right. I'm going to shorten the activity time as well. I don't want you to spend too much time waiting for each other to be ready. So you do your work quickly. It shouldn't take too long. Okay, I'll close the submission now. I'm not going to do it. If I had to wait for everybody, this you will not spending the time for it. I'm sorry, I cannot hear what you're saying. Oh, sure. I'll see your work, okay? Okay, I'm going to close now. Okay, first of all, I think for those who have tried, I'm going to give you a star for everyone for the effort. But, oh, I noticed there are problems again. Ramesh, what pizza did he miss out? So he picked this one. Ramesh, are you sure this is correct? So shall I give Ramesh the smaller size part? Let me ask you later, okay? So you think that is equal? What do you think that is equal, Ramesh? Is it exactly in the middle like here? So is this the same? Yes, you must be very sure and you look carefully. Okay, you can give you extra stuff for the annotation. Good job, okay? It is slow here, correct. Alright, good. So most of us are sure of the answer, okay? And you know that yes. So most of us are able to tell now that Equal parts means all the small parts are equally cut. Now, let's say you wrote here not half, but I'm asking about equal parts. You take this and say yes, it's equal, but is this pizza cut into halves? No, then why is this pizza cut into equal parts? So this for this one here that Dioshen wrote yes. How many parts is this pizza is cut into? 4 equal parts. Anybody know what is one part called? 1/4. Very good. Okay, and then Nara proves to you that they are not equal parts by showing the color. That's why can you see? This red part is so much bigger. So you can see that by you see how she color and show you they are not equal size. Okay, now okay, that's why you see they are not equal size, not equally sized. Okay? Yeah. Mika, don't add extra lines onto the shape. Okay, that's not acceptable. You change the question already. Okay, you don't change the question. Okay, Janice, where are you, Janice? Okay, next Marissa. Pranita. Okay, Pranita also colored to show us. Okay, Roy showed us the half. Okay. Aaron, good job in the annotation. Okay. Because he did the answer, he also did annotation. Yeah, I gave you the point also just now, right, Lashen? Yes, I did. Okay, so where did I stop? I started at Pyosa, right? Okay. Yeah, and then here shows you see this pizza is cut into 2 parts and this is cut into 4 parts. Okay. I will learn how to write the fraction later on. Yeah, you didn't do the annotation, okay? All right, let's try the next question, a bit more challenging. Still small questions. That's why this is not correct. All right, let's try the harder question now. Now, the harder question. We are cutting rectangles up. Are you ready? The harder question. Let's go. Easy. Okay, that's great. Glad to hear that. So now we have a few more questions. Again, now you see, not just cut into 2 equal parts, I can cut it into many, many parts. Okay, are you doing it? You finished already, is it? Okay. Let's see. So what would be the answer? The equal parts is, oh, you missed out one here, Louis. Oh. So the correct answer should be, there's two here. One in the second row and one in the third row as correct answers. Okay, so Francis got it right. Okay. Oh, sorry, Lohit, you gotta try again, okay? But let me give everyone a point for the effort. Okay. Okay. And I think it's important to have the correct answers. Okay. All right, then we'll try here. Let's move along a bit faster. I will award more points later. All right. I will award more points to us later. I really like some of your explanations here. Roy says, look, equal parts means same slices. I like what Roy is mentioning here, so I'm getting one extra point. Because it sounds meaningful to be able to understand what equal parts means. All right. And Austin says, guys, you need to remember to check the size, okay, to see if it's correct. All right. Okay, so I'll give us more stars later. And then I see August trying to write some fractions out. He wrote this as their quarters. But it's not exactly correct, but I give him a star for trying, okay? Okay. Okay. Now, really nice work. Then some of you, most of us, okay. Good points this year. Okay, let's go to the next one now. The next one. Okay, next level. Next one, we are going to look at fractions as equal parts of the whole. We have already answered the questions from the previous pages. And we now can understand what equal parts of a whole mean. Are you paying attention? Here, look. Here's 4 children, and there are 4 packs of chocolates here. And then we got these children to share out the chocolates. So it says here, share 4 packs of chocolates with 4 students equally. Now, each student gets 1 pack of chocolates. That's correct. So each person gets 1 packet of the chocolate. Fair? Equal? Yes, equal. But what happens if you have only 1 pack of chocolate? Correct. So I cannot. Can each person have 1 pack or not? Cannot. Only got 1 only. So we need to. You cannot. Each student will not get 1 pack of chocolate. Each student will each student get more than 1 pack of chocolate? No. So each child will only get less than 1 pack of the chocolate. So you see, cut the chocolate up into 4 equal parts. And then each person get 1 slice. Yes. So each student gets an equal part of the 4 pack of chocolate. So let's look at the next example. So just now it was a chocolate idea. 1 packet of chocolate shared with 4 students. Now in the story, Ian shares a pizza. Okay. Right now, I'd like to share with you as well. Let me just pause this for a while and share with you that if you look up on the screen, let me share with you. All right. I've already created a video on the story. Ian shares a pizza. If you cannot remember what happened in the story, you can go home, check out Miss Lim's YouTube channel, and then watch Miss Lim read the story. Ian shares a pizza to you again. Okay? Well, it's a bit taking a while to load. Can you see what's happening on the screen? On the screen. Can you see what's happening
Hi
on my
everyone,
screen?
here's a new story.
So
This
here's a new
story is
story
written
that I'm
by the
sharing
Curriculum Planning
on.
and Development Division, Ministry of Education.
Okay, I pause it here. So this is a video that is, look at my screen. Okay. All right, so on my screen, I'm showing you, I've recorded the story Ian Shares a Pizza on YouTube. You can go and read it and hear me reading it if you have forgotten about the story. Now, for those of us who remember the story, we go back to the story and we ask ourselves this question. Now, let's see if we remember still what is this word. In the story, Mom baked one pizza. This is one. Oh, Pranita, one slide. Is it really one slide? Is it one slide of pizza? No, it's a whole pizza. Okay, so it's one whole pizza. Right, one whole pizza. Now, let's look at the story goes on, and the pizza was hot. Ian and Mommy sat at the table, and they discussed about sharing the pizza out. So they want to share the pizza equally. And here are some blanks that you need to answer. Are you ready? Ian and his mom wants to share the pizza equally. They cut the pizza into the first blank is there. Ian gets how many equal parts. Mom also gets blank just write the number. Spell the word, okay? Just write the number. What is the spell? You never have to spell. Also gets blank out of the blank part. A bit laggy. So we already know that each part is half of the pizza. Have you answered? So Ian and his mom wants to share the pizza. Okay, we already know that each part is half of the pizza. So can we fill in the blanks correctly? We cut the pizza into equal parts. You don't need to spell out the present number, will do. Ian gets how many out of the how many equal parts? Mom also gets how many out of the how many equal parts? Okay, are we finished already? Five, tell me five blanks. I didn't realize that some of my friends realized that there are only 2 answers, right? Okay, we're moving on. Oh, how does it say 3 parts? Are there 2 parts? No, there's no 2 parts here. Yeah, it's just clear enough for now. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so, oh, Kak Justin, what happened here? Oh, you were confused, I see. Okay, but Nala, I'm gonna give you a star because you spell it out, okay? But you're not supposed to spell it, just write the word again, okay? Alright. Oh, Leshen, what happened here? It seems like you were a bit confused too. I'll give it to George as well because you spelled it out. You just need to write words from now on, okay? You don't have to spell. Write the number from now on, you don't have to spell it out. Some of you are really confused, I see. So what should this be? Yes. Sit down properly. Now, so they cut the pizza into 2 equal parts. Ians get 1 out of the 2 equal parts. Mom also gets 1 out of the 2 equal parts. So each of them get a half of the pizza, and that's how the whole pizza was shared. Okay? Now, let's try the next one. Oops. So the whole is cut into 2 equal parts. If it's 1/2, that's how it looks like. Now, I'm going to share with you very important words now. Can you please pay attention? In the fraction half, the top number, just now many of us were guessing, 1 represents 1/2. Is part of the whole. This number is called, Yutian, what number is that called? Read out the word. The number is called numerator, part of the whole. Now, the next one, the number at the bottom, it refers to the total number of equal parts that the whole is cut into. It is called the denominator. So everybody, let's read it together. The first one in half, the top number on the top represents numerator. Say, that refers to the part that you want. The bottom number is called the denominator. Say, very good. And the denominator means the total number of equal parts that the whole is cut into. So now let's try. We have done a lot of half. Let's try the new one here. In the next following part of the story, more friends came to visit. So Chloe, Dasha, Ian, and Mom want to share the pizza equally. And this time, they cut the pizza into how many equal parts? And what fraction will they get from the pizza? So you see, blank one is the number on top of the fraction line, and blank 5 is the number below the fraction line. numerator. What is the number of n pi? What number is the denominator? Is a fraction. The fraction is made up of the numerator, the number of the fraction line, and the denominator, the number below the fraction line. What are the two numbers of each column? Finish? What does the law of the Okay. Can you come and explain?
One quarter of the pizza.
Okay, so the numerator is
1.
the denominator is say loudly. So each part is 1.
1, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4.
So each part is 1/4.
So each part is 1/4 of the pizza.
Very good. I like how you are involving yourself now, rather than that. Stay here and continue reading. Okay, let's see. Did we all get the same answers? Okay. So you've seen your answers. All right. Okay. Like I said, you don't have to spell anymore. Just write the number. Okay. Oh, okay. So Sona's got it right as well. Sona's quarter is correct. Okay, so the next one says, okay, so this first. The next question here. Now, let's answer this. So just now, Vivian has explained to everyone what is the size of the slice Ian will get when 4 people share the pizza. Yes, make sure we understand what the terms numerator and denominator means. Is it difficult? The whole pizza is cut into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. The numerator should be, if it's one slice, it's called 1/4. So you can already explain to all of us. 1/4 is one slice that Ian will get when 4 people share the pizza. So the whole pizza is cut into 4 equal parts. What is the numerator? And what is the denominator? Okay, because of time, I will close the solution first. I think most of us are able to answer this question. But then there are some of us who are confused, right? Now, to help us answer this better, let me help you a little bit here. So when I have a quarter, if a 1/4 will be that the pizza is cut into 4 equal parts. If Ian takes one slice, it will be 1 out of 4 equal parts. So the numerator is 1 and the denominator will be 4. Now, here's an easy question. Let's see whether you can solve. Why do I say easy? Because we have done many halves now. But some of them are not halves. Which ones are not halves and which ones are? Done? Okay. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to close the summation now. But let me take a look at some of the answers. You say some of the answers are correct. Good. Most of us are being able to see well. Which ones are half and which ones not half? Okay, anybody else is submitting some more already, right? Okay, very good. Okay, I'm going to close the submission now for the last question of the day. Okay, and the last question we are going to try out is 1/4. Are you ready to identify which one is the correct 1/4? Let's go. Vivian! Yes, this is one question earlier. I do not want to allow everyone by calling on you or walking there again. But this is the last question for the day. Now, before we close today's fraction lesson, there is a magic keyword code for Monday as well. On Tuesday, sorry. There's a magic code for Tuesday. No, it's a new one. We'll see what it is later. Are you finished? Is it difficult? Which one looks very complicated? Yes, some of them is really confusing. Yeah, few of them looks like they are like trying to cheat you. This is Tuesday's magic code. Are you seeing this already? I posted the answer. You didn't see? What is it? Are you sure? That's not correct. No. It's not quarter. We are done with quarter. We learn quarters today, and we learn about half. It's something new on Tuesday. Will it be about half on Tuesday still? Will it be about half still? Okay, one more time. Look carefully. Secret code for Tuesday. Secret code for Tuesday. It's a. What does it look like? What does it look like? Huh? I think it look like Pokemon ball. Oh, Beng Seng sign. Ben 10 sign. Ben 10 sign. I thought it looked like a Pokemon ball. Is it quarters? Is this card in quarters? How many total parts are there? How many equal parts in this whole? How many shaded parts? What do you think is the fraction? We are talking about this question on Tuesday. This question, so this is the Pokemon ball, okay? Is the secret code for next Tuesday's maths class. All right? Okay, now I'm going to close the lesson now. Okay, everybody please close the computer now. Please exit and close the computer. Before you go, there's homework to do. Can I have your attention? Close the computer now.